With Yamaha, you have to let the air accumulate, the level. So what I usually do is I do it like 3-4 times, and then you should see the correct level. So that's pretty good right there. That's right where we need it. Looks like he's probably at like 80% with this oil. It's not too dark. It's pretty good. But he's at his year, so we're gonna do his yearly maintenance, not necessarily his 100-hour. I always start out by siphoning the oil out of the engines. So first things first, this will give you a good tell of everything. These engines are going to take 6.7 quarts.